Okay, so here we have the manipulative practice number 11, and we had to use popsicle sticks to solve 42 divided by 6. And we had to make sure to use the measurement method of division. So here we have the model. Here's the original of 42 popsicle sticks divided by 6. And I couldn't quite get all of the popsicle stick images to work, and so here we have 40 popsicle sticks and 2 popsicle sticks. And then I converted it over to all popsicle sticks. So 42 popsicle sticks divided by 6 popsicle sticks. And so what I ended up doing was that I lined up all 42 popsicle sticks at the top. And then I had the groups of 6 popsicle sticks down below. And how I indicated each group of 6 was that I drew this line here and I grouped it as 1. And so here we have 6 complete groups. And this here is a complete group because we have 1, 2, 3 popsicle sticks representing these 3 here. And then 1, 2, 3 is represented by this group of 3 down here. So this represents 1 in total. And so down here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that equals 7. And so just to check my math, I decided to divide 42 by 6. And so I ended up with a total of 7. And so 42 divided by 6 equals 7 using the popsicle sticks and the measurement method.